friend, welcome back. I appreciate you joining me here today. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. And today we're gonna make Frito pie casserole. This is like everybody's kid favorite fun meal that they absolutely love. So let me walk you through the ingredients really quick. It's truly only a handful. We need ground beef. You could also use ground turkey or ground chicken. That would work just fine. If you want to keep it vegetarian, you could use tofu. You could totally do that with this recipe. We're going to use some kidney beans. We need about a cup of salsa. And if you don't have salsa on hand, you could use, I usually use fresh salsa. But today I didn't have any, so I actually used Rotel. That's a great sub out there. I use cream style corn. You could use frozen corn, you could use regular canned corn, but I like the cream of corn because it gives it that neat texture that I'm looking for. We're gonna need an onion, some taco seasoning, and some shredded cheese. Pre-shredded cheese won't melt as well as cheese that you shred on your own, so just something, little tip. And then last but not least, we are making Frito pie casserole, so we need Fritos. You can use the big scoops, you can use the smaller ones, either works. So this one's easy, so let's get cooking. Okay, so let's get cooking, and we're gonna start by browning the ground beef. Okay, so the casserole's done. It's super easy to make, and I have to show you. Look at that cheesy, crunchy topping. I love this casserole. Let's dish some out here. What's kind of neat about it is that it get this wonderful kind of crispy, crunchy crust on the bottom. It almost tastes like a cornbready kind of thing. And I let it set for about 10 minutes after it came out of the oven, just to kind of let the casserole come together. And of course I don't have a fork, so hang on. Okay, so yum, cheesy goodness. It's still pretty hot, but it's like the bottom crunchy corn tortillas. Corn chips just become this crunchy, crusty layer, and it seals in all the goodness. It's super yummy. That is so good. That is the one that makes my heart happy. Usually I top this, I didn't even do that today, but I top it with like sour cream and salsa. You can put some olives on it, green onions, really anything that you put on a taco you can top this with, even like stretch it out with lettuce, but make this. Get the stuff and make this right away. It's really, really good. I think you'll love it.